Hello everyone, welcome back again to the PPT template channel. In this channel, you can learn all about tutorials and download designs using PowerPoint. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe PPT template channel. In this video, we can learn how to import PowerPoint presentation to Canva. Let's start. Open Canva apps in your browser, desktop apps, or in mobile app. Click Project menu. Click in New and Upload Files. Select PowerPoint file presentation in your drive and click Open. Please wait process file upload. Reload page your browser and file it's been uploaded. If the above is a long way, for a short way you can directly drag and drop the file into Canva. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to learn new updated videos about PowerPoint tutorials from the PPT template channel. Thanks for watching.